Hello, everyone. Welcome to Peter Slaxton's YouTube channel. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video for others to learn. Today, I want to show you 5 ways of how to identify a business opportunity. Let's start. Identifying a business opportunity involves recognizing unmet needs or gaps in the market that can be addressed through innovative solutions, products, or services. Successful entrepreneurs often rely on a combination of research, observation, creativity, and critical thinking to spot potential opportunities. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you identify a business opportunity. 1. Observe market trends and consumer behavior. Stay informed. Keep up with industry trends, technological advancements, and changes in consumer preferences. This can help you identify growing sectors or declining markets that may present opportunities. Examples: the rise in e-commerce and home delivery services, growing demand for sustainable and eco-friendly products, increased use of digital payment methods, tools to use, Google Trends to analyze search interest in specific industries, industry reports from consulting firms like McKinsey, PwC, or IBS World. Social media and forums. Monitor platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and LinkedIn to gauge consumer conversations. 2. Identify problems and pain points. Look for gaps. Identify everyday problems or inconveniences people face that aren't being adequately addressed. These problems can be turned into business opportunities by providing innovative solutions. Example: the rise of ride-hailing apps like Uber, which address the inconvenience of finding affordable, reliable transportation. Strategies: talk to people. Speak with potential customers or industry professionals to uncover challenges they encounter in their daily routines. Observe your surroundings. Everyday frustrations or inefficiencies you observe can often signal a business opportunity. 3. Analyze your skills and strengths. Leverage your expertise. Consider your own skills, knowledge, and experience. Often, you can find opportunities by recognizing where your strengths align with market needs. Example: if you're a software developer, you may identify opportunities in creating apps or software solutions to improve efficiency in a specific industry you're familiar with. Questions to ask: what are you particularly good at or passionate about? Do you have a unique perspective or expertise that could solve a problem? 4. Study competitors and identify weaknesses. Examine current players. Study existing businesses in the industry and identify their weaknesses, gaps in services, or customer complaints. Competitive differentiation. Consider what you could do better than the competition or where they are failing to meet customer expectations. Example: a local coffee shop might have poor customer service or long waiting times, presenting an opportunity to open a coffee shop that prioritizes speed and customer experience. Tools to use. Online reviews. Platforms like Yelp, Google Reviews, or Trustpilot can reveal customer frustrations. Competitor websites and social media. Analyze how they communicate with their audience and any gaps in their offerings. 5. Leverage emerging technologies. Tech-driven opportunities. Technology constantly creates new business opportunities. Stay updated on emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, or renewable energy, and think about how they can solve existing problems.